Welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, we'll see how to install Snap support in Fedora. So Fedora, the Snap support is not there by default. You have to install the Snapper plugin to get the Snap support in your Fedora Gnome store. So for that, you have to open your terminal and type sudo dnf install python 3 dnf plugin snapper. Here is the command. Then give your sudo password. Then system will update the repos, local repos with the server. Check whether the dependencies are resolved. I had installed Opera packages. So Opera packages repo is also updated. Now it will show you the package list. Installing Python 3 DNF Python 3 dnf plugin.snapper and the dependent libraries like library btrfs snapper x6064 and the snapper dash libs, that is snapper libraries for the 64-bit Arch version. So total 4 packages will be installed. Package size is 923K. Install size is 2.7 M. Is this okay? So you have to give yes or no. If yes, then it will install the packages. Then you have to restart your system and then refresh your Gnome store. After refreshing the Gnome store, the Snap plugin support will be activated and you can install the Snap packages instead of the default Fedora Gnome packages or the Flatpaks. Thank you very much. Do subscribe to our channel. Do comment and give us suggestions. If you want to watch video on some specific topic in Linux, do let us know in the comments. We will try to bring the video on that subject soon. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you in the next video.